Hey everyone, today I'm showing you the fastest way to bridge Calendly with webhooks. Let's get into it. Step 1. Get your API token. First, we need permission to talk to the Calendly API. Log into your Calendly account and go to Integrations. Click on API and Webhooks. Click Generate New Token, give it a name like Webhook Bridge, and copy it immediately. Keep this safe, you won't be able to see it again. Step 2. Set up your destination or endpoint. Webhooks need a place to land. You'll need a URL from the app you're sending data to. If you're using Zapier or Make, create a new workflow and select Webhook as the trigger to get your unique URL. If you're testing, you can use a tool like webhook.site to quickly see the data move in real time. Step 3. Create the Webhook subscription. Calendly doesn't have a simple Add button for webhooks in the main UI yet, so we use the developer portal or a tool like Postman. Go to the Calendly developer docs under Webhook subscriptions. In the request body, paste your destination URL. Choose your events. Invitee.created is the most common one for new bookings. Set the scope to user if it's just for you, or organization if you're an admin for a whole team. Step 4. Authenticate and fire. Paste your API token from Step 1 into the authorization header as a bearer token. Hit Send or Create Subscription, and if you see a 201 created response, you're officially live. Calendly will now push data to your URL the second a meeting is booked. Step 5. Test the connection. Always verify your work. Go to your own booking link and schedule a test meeting. Check your destination app like Zapier or your Webhook tester. You should see a beautiful block of JSON data containing the invitee's name, email, and meeting time instantly. Now your automation can take it from here, sending emails or updating leads while you sleep. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.